Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Settings and Privacy to reach the mute controls quickly. First, open the menu, choose Privacy and Safety, then Mute and Block. This gets you to the exact panel you need. Once there, tap Muted Words to begin adding entries. You should add single words, phrases, or hashtags depending on what you want hidden. Make sure to choose whether the mute applies to your timeline, notifications, or both. That decision controls where content disappears. Now you add specific terms and configure how they behave. Type the word, phrase, or hashtag into the box, then press Add to register it. Next, pick the scope. Timeline hides tweets, notifications stops alerts, or choose both to be thorough. After that, select duration. Options include 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, or forever, so you can test and adjust. Because wording matters, use exact phrases, or broader terms. You finish by reviewing and testing your muted words to ensure they work as intended. Go back to muted words to edit or delete any entry. Small changes can broaden or narrow the filter. Then check by viewing a timeline or a profile that previously showed the content to confirm it's hidden. If you still see unwanted tweets, make sure the exact wording matches, clear the app cache, and restart the app. These steps resolve most syncing and display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.